Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you can tell by the title of the video, I'm going to be showing you guys my morning routine. You're going to see from the moment that I wake up to the moment that I finish getting ready. So I'm actually going to stop talking. I'm going to let you guys watch the video because it's pretty much self-explanatory. I don't think you guys need me to be explaining every little thing unless I need to explain like a certain product or what I use it for or something like that. Then I'll come back in here and let you guys know. But other than that, I hope you guys enjoy the video. Alright, so here I am heading to the bathroom. I am getting ready to get in the shower. So I know here you guys are going to get on to me about not removing my eye makeup from the night before. But honestly, I get too tired or too lazy to take it off the night before. Just because I do wear waterproof mascara and that could take so long sometimes. But I promise I try my best to at least remove like foundation and anything that's on my actual skin. But mascara, that's just a little hard for me, so yeah. So here are more of my favorite products. This is my Clean and Clear Pimple Cream. Then I like to go in with the L'Oreal Eye Defense for under my eyes. And then the Milani Rose Oil. And then on top of that, I go in with my Garnier Skin Active Gel Cream. And then for all over my body, I like to go in with this Nivea Cream. And I do want to add that you guys won't be watching me eat breakfast just because I was in a rush. When I was filming this, I needed to do a few things, run some errands, and I did want to get my nails done. So I didn't want the nail salon to close. So yeah. So for the finale, I do like to let my hair back down just because I like for it to air dry. I also show you guys a little clip of my whole outfit, so I hope you guys enjoy that. But that is all for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching my morning routine. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you guys want to see more videos from me. And as always, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys later. Bye, guys.